In a faraway kingdom, nestled between shimmering rivers and glowing forests, there lay a land called Luminara. This enchanting realm was bathed in an eternal glow from the moon, which hung low and bright in the night sky. The people of Luminara believed their moonlight was magical, granting peace and prosperity to their kingdom. At the heart of this land stood a magnificent castle made of crystal, its towers reaching high enough to almost touch the moon. Within this castle lived a young princess named Barbie, fondly called the Moonlight Princess by her people. Her golden hair sparkled like stardust, and her gown seemed to catch the moonlight, glowing softly wherever she went. Barbie was not just beautiful, but kind-hearted, always ready to help her people with a smile. But Barbie carried a secret that few knew. She was born under the rare lunar eclipse, a celestial event that happened once every 1,000 years. It was said that children born during this time were blessed with magical abilities tied to the moon. Barbie discovered her gift when she turned 8. She could summon the soft glow of moonlight, lighting up the darkest places and healing those in need. She used her powers sparingly, only when the people of Luminara truly needed her. The fading moonlight. One fateful evening, as Barbie stood on her castle balcony gazing at the moon, she noticed something strange. The moon's glow seemed dimmer than usual, its silvery light tinged with a faint gray. The stars around it were losing their twinkle, and a sense of unease filled the air. The next morning, the kingdom awoke to find the moonlight weaker than ever before. Plants that relied on its magical glow began to wither, and the streams that sparkled under its light started to lose their shimmer. The people grew worried and turned to their beloved Moonlight Princess for guidance. "I will find out what's happening," Barbie assured them. "The moon has always protected us, and now it's our turn to protect it." The quest for the Moonstone. Barbie visited the royal library, where ancient scrolls and books held secrets of Luminara's past. With the help of her trusted advisor, an elderly scholar named Loomis, Barbie discovered an old legend about the Moonstone, a crystal hidden deep within the lunar caverns. The Moonstone was the source of the moon's magical glow, and if its light faded, so would the moon itself. "The Moonstone must be losing its power," Loomis said gravely. "You must journey to the lunar caverns and restore its glow." Barbie's heart fluttered with a mix of excitement and fear. She had never ventured beyond the castle alone, but she knew this was her responsibility. Gathering her courage, she packed a satchel with essentials, including a small lantern, a silver compass gifted to her by her late mother, and her beloved white cat, Lunar, who insisted on accompanying her. Into the unknown. Barbie's journey began at the edge of the Whispering Woods, a forest known for its glowing trees and talking fireflies. As she walked deeper, the trees whispered secrets of the forest and offered her guidance. "Follow the North Star," one tree murmured. "It will lead you to the lunar caverns." Barbie and Luna pressed on, their path lit by the soft glow of the fireflies. But the forest was not without its challenges. A mischievous sprite named Flick appeared, creating illusions to confuse her. Barbie, using her moonlight powers, dispelled the illusions and gently asked Flick why he caused trouble. "I was lonely," Flick admitted, his tiny wings drooping. "Then come with us," Barbie said kindly. "We're on an adventure to save the moon." Delighted, Flick joined their quest, lighting their way with his tiny lantern. The trials of the lunar caverns. After days of travel, the group arrived at the lunar caverns. The entrance was guarded by a riddle-spouting owl named Orion. "To enter, you must solve this riddle," Orion hooted. "I glow at night, yet I am not the sun. I guide travelers, but I am not a compass. What am I?" "The moon," Barbie answered confidently. The owl nodded, and the cavern doors opened. Inside, the caverns were breathtaking. Crystals of every color lined the walls, glowing faintly under the dim light. But as they ventured deeper, they faced 3 trials to reach the Moonstone. The trial of courage. Barbie had to cross a bridge made of shimmering stardust that vanished with every step. Trusting her instincts, she used her moonlight powers to steady the bridge and made it across safely. The trial of wisdom. A talking stream asked her 3 questions about the moon and its cycles. With Loomis's teachings fresh in her mind, Barbie answered each question correctly, and the stream parted, revealing the path forward. The trial of kindness. In the final chamber, a wounded lunar wolf blocked their way. Instead of fighting it, Barbie used her moonlight to heal its injuries. The grateful wolf stepped aside, revealing the Moonstone at last, restoring the moon's glow. The Moonstone lay on a pedestal, its light barely flickering. Barbie carefully lifted it, feeling its cool energy pulse in her hands. She closed her eyes and concentrated, channeling her moonlight powers into the crystal. Her heart filled with memories of her people, the beauty of Luminara, and her love for the moon. The Moonstone began to glow brighter and brighter, until the entire cavern was bathed in its radiant light. Suddenly, the ground shook, and the voice of the moon itself echoed through the cavern. "Thank you, Moonlight Princess. You have restored my light and proven the power of courage, wisdom, and kindness." The Moonstone floated back to its pedestal, shining brilliantly. Barbie and her companions made their way out of the cavern, the path now illuminated by the restored moonlight. A hero's welcome. When Barbie returned to Luminara, the kingdom was transformed. The moon shone brighter than ever, and its magical glow brought life back to the plants and rivers. The people cheered and celebrated their brave princess, who had saved their land. Barbie, however, humbly reminded them, "I couldn't have done it without my friends, Luna, Flick, and the wisdom of the Whispering Woods." From that day on, Barbie became a symbol of hope and resilience. The Moonlight Princess continued to use her powers to guide and protect her kingdom, her heart forever glowing as brightly as the moon she loved. And so, Luminara thrived under the watchful gaze of the moon and its beloved princess, their bond unbroken for generations to come. The end.